Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in Silver Zenith. With HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, second row heated seats, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D7360.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.